All right, good unemployment Thursday. Yesterday we made a few points in the long side yesterday in the morning. Tried again in the afternoon, just above 10:30, getting long at about 10:33, and saying we would reverse under the 10:28 level. Well, we basically gave back a little bit of the long profits we took in the morning, and then got short at 10:27s. And rode that down last night. As you can see, we're down here to the 10. We went down to 10:16, I think, last night was the low. And now we are sitting here. This is a 1 minute chart, but now we are sitting back to the pivot. And the pivot this morning is 10:26.75. So we did dip down there last night to about 10:16. So the market did sell off pretty quickly last night after that, breaking that 10:30 level. So the 10:30 level is now, which was support for 5 times testing, it has become resistance. And that's where we are at the moment. We've got the big jobless numbers tomorrow. This morning we had the preliminary Challenger number, and we're not looking so pretty out there, of course, in the jobs. This should not be shocking. This should not be news. We ended yesterday, the advancers were slightly over decliners, and then towards the end of the day that switched, and decliners were about 2 to 1 over advancers. Euro is up this morning, 123.94, up 150 pips straight up. Again, the euro pulled back after a move from 118.74 to 124.77, pulled right back to the 50% retrace, and that was at 121.78 level or so, and now that is up 200 pips from there. So again, very technical, smart trading going on there to the long side, and that's kind of where that is. Gold 12.33, down 12 bucks today. Lumber 220. Lumber was also rallying hard yesterday. I don't know if anybody else noticed that, but we hit a low of 183 and have bounced now 37 points very quickly on the lumber chart, LBS. So keep that on the look. Wheat also exploded yesterday, so you had massive inflation as wheat made another new high yesterday. Again, after hitting a low of 425, it hit as high as 492. It's running up to resistance here at 490, but if wheat gets over 500, this thing could be really off to the races. And again, this has been a long side bet for the mistrade members. So that's where we are. Coffee also up $30 from our 135 level buys, and that is paying off very nicely. So that's where we are. Again, day trade the SPOOs right now. The easy money has been made for sure to the downside, down 100, and we got as much 114 points down in 8 trading days. So we're expecting a snapper at some point. Just kind of waiting for the signals. Intraday trading, you got to be pretty careful as the volume is going to lighten up here as we come into the long holiday weekend. So that's it. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the other side Friday. Today is July 1, Thursday, July 1, and tomorrow is Friday. Peace.